In this video, I am issuing my summer challenges and collaborations. Stay tuned for the details. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. And be sure to tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It'll let you know every time I put out new content. I have 4 collaborations that I want to share with you, and they have to do with my signature content: kitchens, cleaning, and gardens. So I've got my notes right here so that I don't miss any of the details. So let's get into it. The first challenge is my summer kitchen vignette, hosted by Denise Jordan. And this one is always a community favorite. So here are the details for the summer kitchen vignette, hosted by Denise Jordan. It must be on a tray. As you know, the kitchen counter and the kitchen table is prime real estate. So whatever you use has got to be portable. You can use a cutting board as a tray. You can use a tray as a tray. What you use is up to you. It just must be on something that you can pick up and put aside so that you can use that counter space to prep or use that table to eat. You must include some kind of floral. It can be faux floral or it can be live. It can be greenery. It can be vegetables, some kind of vegetation. Whatever you use, as long as it's some kind of floral, is up to you. And you must include some kind of animal. Right now, I am in love with farm animals, particularly roosters. I saw a tablescape that Vel at Mike and Vel's Life did in another collaboration, and she had so many cute roosters. So I thought farm animal or rooster or something would be really cute in the summer kitchen vignette. So I've got a little set of cow salt and pepper shakers that might find its way in there, or I might find a cute little rooster. We'll see. And you must also have something with words on it, and that something with words is up to you. It can be a book, it can be a plaque, it can be a picture, whatever you want. Just got to have something with words on it. And give it a farmhouse vibe. You can do that by using a mason jar, a cutting board, a pitcher, you name it, but just give it a little farmhouse vibe. The upload date is Tuesday, June 11th after 7 a.m. Eastern. And if at all possible, make this summer kitchen vignette a no spin. As always, I'll create a playlist, so be sure to mention the playlist in your description box and link it there when it becomes available. And then be sure to subscribe to my channel and also mention my channel and link it in your description box as well. And title your video Summer Kitchen Vignette 2019, hosted by Denise Jordan. Again, that's Summer Kitchen Vignette 2019, hosted by Denise Jordan. And use the hashtag Summer Kitchen Vignette 2019. The next collaboration that I want to share with you is the Moonlight Clean with me. And I am really excited about this one. You guys know I love cleaning videos, so this one should be a lot of fun. And it's really simple. All you've got to do is clean your house after dark. You can clean whatever you want or as many rooms as you want. It can be an appliance, it can be a closet, whatever. You get to decide. Just clean your house after dark. So whatever you want to clean is up to you. Just show yourself clean. It can be a room, an appliance, and a closet, whatever. You can even switch up your normal daytime cleaning routine to a nighttime cleaning routine for the purposes of the video. You get to decide. But I'm really excited about a Moonlight Clean with me. You're going to post your video on Saturday, June 29th after 7 a.m. Eastern. And title your video Moonlight Clean with Me Summer 2019 and use the hashtag Moonlight Clean with Me Summer 2019. The third challenge that I want to share with you is a gardening one, and it is to create a fairy garden. I fell in love with fairy gardens last year. I mean, I was late to the party, but I caught up. So this year, I'm asking all of you for this challenge to create a fairy garden. You get to decide the particulars. The only stipulation is that it must have a fairy in it. Title your video My Fairy Garden Summer 2019 and use the hashtag My Fairy Garden Summer 2019. And your upload date is going to be Friday, July 5th after 7 a.m. Eastern. The fourth and final challenge for summer is another gardening one. It is the Container Gardening Challenge, and this one I co-hosted last year with Jessica at Measure and Mix, Lacey at Lacey Space, and Chrissy at Hosted by Chrissy. And we got so much participation, and it was so nice and just so much fun. People got really creative in the kind of container they chose for their container garden. So I am looking forward to seeing what you guys do this year. So now here are the details. Create a container garden, and you can be as creative as you like with the container you use. Mention all of our channels in your video and link them in your description box. And also link the playlist. And title your video Container Garden Challenge Summer 2019. Again, that's Container Garden Challenge Summer 2019, and use the hashtag Container Garden Challenge Summer 2019. The upload date is Friday, July 12th after 7 a.m. Eastern. So I hope you are as excited as I am about all of these challenges. And I thought it would be best to just go ahead and get them all out in this one invitation video, just so you could start getting them on your calendar. And I will follow up with individual invite videos as we get closer to each challenge. The other thing is that I will create a playlist for each of the challenges. And as usual, please link the playlist in your description box and link my channel and the channels of the other co-hosts in the appropriate video in your description box as well. So what are the 4 challenges again? Well, the first one is the Summer Kitchen Vignette, and the upload date for that one is June 11th. The next one is the Moonlight Clean with me, and the upload date for that one is June 29th. The next one is My Fairy Garden Challenge, and the upload date for that one is Friday, July 5th. And the last and final one for summer is the Container Garden Challenge 2019, and the upload date for that one is Friday, July 12th. So I hope you guys are all as excited about these challenges as I am. And I'm just going to tick them off one at a time. And since the Kitchen Vignette is kicking off first, I'll just ask you, what animal do you think you're going to use in your summer kitchen vignette? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, and a little bit about gardening, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.